In this demonstration, we'll take a look at installing just the Configuration Manager console, which can be installed on really just about any machine so that you can connect to the site server and perform your administration from whichever system you like. Now, I already chose to install the console on my original site server, so I don't need to install it on this particular system. This is, in fact, the site server. But I do want to point out where you can find the installation file. Then you can just copy that to any target system and perform the installation on that system. Now, you have two choices. This first window here is the original installation media. So you can see the path here is my D drive, SMS setup, binaries, but this time it's not the x64 folder, which we saw in the original installation, but rather the i386 folder. And here is the file right there, console setup.exe. Now, it's fine to use this one, but there are a few considerations. They do recommend that you actually use the file that is here in this other window, and I'll come to that in a moment. But the reason why they tend to avoid suggesting this one is that it always installs the English language version. Now, that's fine if that's what you're looking for, but of course, if you are in a multilingual environment, regardless of the language packs that you have installed or the support that you've included in your installation, this always installs the English language version. The other option is the installation location on a system that has already received an installation of Configuration Manager, and that's this window here. So you can see this is Program Files, Microsoft Configuration Manager, Tools, Console Setup. And let me just click in the address bar here. You can see the entire pathway there. This is the installation file, in this case, console setup.exe. Now, you might notice that there is also an admin console.msi, and again, it is acceptable to run that file. It's just that this one does not perform some of the pre-installation requirement checks for the system on which it is being installed. So as long as you're fairly confident it will accept it as is, then you certainly can use that. And it should also be mentioned that as an MSI file, you could also distribute that using group policies. But you're probably not looking at having that many servers that are going to have the console installed on it. So